Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete multiple pages in Canva in just a few simple steps. Open the design you want to edit. Go to your Canva homepage and find the design under your recent designs or in your projects section. Click on the thumbnail to open it. Once your design is open, you need to access the Page Thumbnails view. Look at the bottom right corner of the editor. You'll see 4 small icons there. Click on the square icon that shows your page count, and your page thumbnails will appear below the design. Now you can start selecting the pages you want to delete. Click on the first page thumbnail you want to remove. You'll see that page become highlighted or outlined. That's how you know it's selected. To add more pages to your selection, hold down Control on Windows or Command on Mac. Then click each additional page you want to delete. As you click them, each one will show that highlighted state, so you can see which pages are selected. Once you've got all your pages selected, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a trash icon. Click that trash icon, and all your selected pages will be removed from the design. The remaining pages will automatically renumber themselves. Your design saves automatically in Canva, so those changes are already stored. Keep in mind that once you delete pages, they're gone for good. There's no undo to bring them back. Also, you can't delete a page if it's the only one left in your design. Thanks for watching.